My name is Curtis Segarra. My major is geoscience, earth system science, and my minors are economics and Chinese. In my time at Trinity, I've gotten so many opportunities to do research at various levels, whether it's like a short class project that's just with some students in the class, and then to this out here, which is really true field work. I think there's just so many opportunities in various fields. So we came out here to southern Utah to look at a large fault zone and looking at how little fractures in the rocks propagate and what direction they're facing and how much they may or may not have moved, all to try to understand the bigger faults and the bigger picture of this thing. And just getting to do some hands-on work out in the middle of nowhere, it's a great experience. It's totally different from anything you learn in a classroom. So I think it's really important for someone who's going into the field to really get some hands-on work, and especially for geology or say biology or any of those sciences where you are going to be, after graduation, sent off into the field to do work. You need to be out here with a professor trying to get some knowledge on how that works. So it's been a great experience. Well, I think really it's the teachers at Trinity University. They're very open about research opportunities for their students. They're very involved and really try to make sure their students get involved in research, whether that be with someone on campus or off campus. So to be able to actually, write brand new research on something no one's ever looked at before, to learn something brand new and contribute to the larger field of whatever part of academia you're studying is a really great feeling. And getting to know that you're getting to do this kind of research as an undergraduate is amazing. Very few schools, I think, have that opportunity. I learned how to kind of think on your feet as far as being in the field, because in the classroom you kind of know what to expect. The teacher's going to lecture, study the notes, pass the test, that kind of thing, do the homework. Out here it's totally different. You have kind of a general plan. You're going to go look at these rocks in the field, but maybe they don't turn out to be what you expect them to be, or you lose access to that field site, or the weather goes bad. So really just learning to work on your feet is something you'd never get from a classroom setting that you do get out here. Trinity works really hard to get you out of your comfort zone, whether that be study abroad. They made me go to China, and that was a totally different experience. Whether it be making you go out into the field and do field work like this, or even just making sure you take some classes that are kind of out of your comfort zone. I think that's kind of the value of Trinity, is it pushes you to go out of your comfort zone, which ultimately is what you're going to need for the real world.